Hello everyone, my name is Tente and I am one of the Peer Career Assistants in the Center for Career Development. Today I will be bringing you through how to use Handshake to set up an appointment at the Career Center. Handshake is an excellent resource that has a wide range of uses, from setting up appointments at the CCD to applying for internships outside Holy Cross. If you have not signed into Handshake before, it is a very easy process. Every student has access to log in through their Holy Cross email address. Once you have signed in, there are many different ways to customize your profile. Just like on LinkedIn, you can add information about yourself, including your education, leadership positions, internships, and related coursework. Recruiters from every industry use Handshake and actively search for students across the country. The best way to start navigating the website is by looking at the Center for Career Development's resources. If you need to set up an appointment with a career advisor, click on the Appointments tab and schedule a new session. As you can see, there are many different options to choose from. If you've never been to the Career Center before, set up a career exploration and advising appointment. This preliminary meeting will give you helpful career track information to narrow down your focus and set up further appointments at our office with our different community advisors. Some other appointments you can set up include career community sessions, interview prep, and resume reviews. You can also come to drop-in hours with peer career advisors like myself from Monday through Friday from 1 to 4 p.m. to review your resume or ask a quick question. Thank you so much for watching this informational video. We look forward to seeing you in the Center for Career Development soon.